Welcome to Behind the Trigger, and right now we're going to be shooting this my 457 build. This chassis actually goes to my other CZ 457, and this is the factory chassis. And I'm running Rocker Arms Marksman stock, which is really nice. And I'm just going to try it out in this bench rest setup. I'm going to run this at 50 yards, see what it can do. Now this wind is freaking horrible today. It goes from 0 to 20 in seconds. Let's see what we can do with this wind. And I'm not going to be compensating for the wind. I can honestly say I'm really happy with this rifle. Actually, I'm happy with this barrel. Got to work on the setup a little bit more, but I'll get it there. I got to take this grip out, switch it out to a different grip. I'm going to back that Timney trigger off a little bit too. It breaks really nice and clean. It has very little creep, but just a tad lighter.
Yeah, wind's really starting to pick up right now too.
Well, what do you guys think? Is this rifle a keeper? Catch you all at the range. Till next time.